Install the right side bracket first. Installation of EMS body sculpting handle bracket. Installation of handle bracket for freeze. Install the other side of the bracket in the same way. Two EMS handles on the rear side of the machine. Installation of freezer handle. Installation of filter cups. Install the refrigeration operating head on the handle. Push it down first, before installing it with force. Fill with about 1 L of pure water. It's full when there's water coming out of the bottom, to the overflow hole with water flow. And then start running for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Press to remove hose adapter, funnel hose. Drain the machine. Plug in hose adapter, funnel hose. Waiting for the water to run out,